Hello, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to record your screen on the VIVO V40 Pro phone. So the first thing we're going to do is scroll from the top to the bottom to open up the control panel, and then scroll down again to open it up even more. And then we're going to find the record screen option. I mean, it's right here. I'm going to click on it, agree to all the little options. And now once you've started screen recording, you can see that this little bar popped up, which shows how long have you been recording. And you can also press the pause button, or you can stop the recording fully. So I'm going to stop it now, and you will receive a little notification on your phone, which you can click on to see the recording that you have just recorded. So there you go. That's it. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe.